What is going on, guys? It's man, it has been a while, and I apologize for that. The odd thing is I've probably made, it's been over a year since I put a video up. In that time, I've probably made 30 videos, at least, but I don't have the time to edit them and get them up on the internet, you know. So I'm gonna try my damnedest to get this one out, but I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. I think tomorrow, or no, the next day is Christmas. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. But anyway, here we are. This is my favorite time of every single year, and it happens every single year. You know, sometimes it happens in January, sometimes in December, but it's when we hit that first design temperature. Because the phone starts ringing off the hook. Hey, my furnace is just running. Hey, my heat pump won't shut off. Hey, it's just running and running and running. It's on auxiliary heat, and it doesn't feel like it's keeping up in the house. Good. So today, here where I'm at in Central PA, damn, I think a tree just hit my truck. I'm telling you, it's windy as hell here. Yeah, a limb just hit my truck. Anyway, it'll be alright. This is just my beater. I've run this on service calls. But anyway, so, we hit that, so here in central Pennsylvania, it is 8 degrees today. And coincidentally enough, here where I'm at, that is my design temperature to where I'm designing all of my HVAC systems for. That's our 1%. So if you were to go into ACA or ASHRAE's, handbook, or really any loads, software, they're going to have criteria that we're going to be sizing our heating systems to and our cooling systems to, and it's based on a 99.1% temperature range. So what that means is 99% of the year we are going to be above a certain temperature, and only 1% of the year we're going to be above another temperature. So we're going to be within this range, and that range is what we're designing to. Where I'm at here, it is 8 degrees. Now, depending on where you look, you might find a little bit of, they change it every once in a while. They'll make an amendment to where, because of global warming or whatever, they're going to say, hey, we're going to bump this temperature up, we're going to push that temperature down, because based on last year, or the last 2 years, we've been seeing temperatures in excess of that threshold more than, that 1%. So they will make an amendment every once in a while. But anyway, I'm kind of in between 3 different regions right here, right now. One is 13 degrees, one is I think 12, and the other is 8 degrees. So I'm going to be designing all of my systems somewhere in there. I will usually err on the side of caution and go for like the lowest of those, but nonetheless, that's where we're at today. Man, it is windy. Dang, it almost blew my van off the road. So yeah, I'm getting all those phone calls. Hey, my heat pump won't shut off. Good, because I did my job right. If we are below that and your heat pump is still cycling right now, then dude, put your heat pump in way too big. Now, that's never the case. Heat pumps, they've been running auxiliary heat for the last 5 weeks, okay? Furnaces, okay, now on the other hand, furnaces, if they are cycling right now, then you might be running a slightly larger furnace than what you need. If I size a building up, and let's just say it comes out to 100 and make 107 BTU per hour furnace, so we're going to bump that up to the 110 anyway. So with that in mind, we might theoretically be able to run it, down to 5 degrees anyway, or right now at 8 degrees we might be cycling, but that's only because we can't get exacts. We're just bumping to the next size. So that's this is a great time. Every year it happens. I get those phone calls. Now, unfortunately, I gotta go deal with them. The nice thing is, if your system has been maintaining up to this point, and now it's feeling a little short, then that's good. Okay, that's fine. It's just these heat pumps, man. These heat pumps. We are right now, man. It is snowing. We are about as far north as I want to put a heat pump in reality. I mean, I know people putting heat pumps in, and we designed one